Here's a crocheted bag with this lovely stitch, which actually only consists of 2 different rounds. So one is all single crochet, and then what I'm going to show you now is this round that has these inverted V stitches, which are basically 2 double crochet clusters, meaning a cluster of 2 double crochets, but spread out over 2 different stitches with one skipped in between. So let me show you how to do that. So here you begin the round by chaining 4. So that'll count as a double crochet and a chain 1 spacer. So here's the inverted V stitch, which is like a double crochet cluster that's spread out over 2 spaces. So yarn over, insert the hook in the same stitch where the slip stitch was from the previous round. Yarn over, pull a loop through, yarn over, pull through 2. So that's halfway completed. Now you're going to skip this stitch and go into the next one after you yarn over. Insert hook, yarn over, pull a loop through, yarn over, pull through 2. So those are like 2 half done double crochets. Now you're going to yarn over and pull through all 3, which completes that stitch. So that's like an inverted V, or kind of a 2 double crochet cluster, but it's worked over 2 separate stitches, so the bottom part is spread out and there's a stitch skipped in between. So let me show you that again. I'm going to chain 1 first, because there are chain 1 spaces between each of these stitches. And here's that next inverted cluster. So yarn over, insert hook into the same stitch you worked before. Yarn over, pull the loop through, yarn over, pull through 2. That's the first half. Yarn over, skip a stitch, go into the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through 2. So there's 1, 2, the 2 halves. Now yarn over, pull through all 3. Chain 1 in between. So there's 2 of them. I'm going to do it again. Yarn over, insert hook into the same. Pull through a loop, pull through 2, yarn over, skip a stitch, go into the next one, pull loop through, go through 2, and then close it up and go through all 3. And then chain 1. So now I'm going to do that all the way around. So now I've gone all the way around with these inverted double crochet clusters. And here's how I finish the round. So do another cluster stitch, chain 1, and here's the last one. Do the first half, and then I'm going to go into the 3rd chain of the beginning chain 4, insert my hook in there, yarn over, and then go through all loops on the hook. And that creates right here the last one. And then I'll be chaining 1 and doing a single crochet round.